Hello students, in this session I am going to continue the lesson Socrates and the Schoolmaster by F.L. Brain. I am Shivamurthy, Assistant Professor in English, BTCG Government First Grade College, Somarpet, Kodagu District. The objectives of the present session is to make the students understand the story, to enrich the vocabulary of the students. After listening to this session, you would be able to understand the story. You would be able to use many new words in sentences of your own. The conversation between the teacher and the villager is going on, and there enters the schoolmaster. There is a conversation which continues between the schoolmaster and Socrates. Socrates says that the schoolmaster is the guardian of good old customs, because it is in the schoolmaster's hands that the future of the village lies. He is going to teach the students well, and thereby he molds the future of the boys and girls. Thereby he is going to mold the future of the society also. The teacher replies that his job is to teach reading, writing, arithmetic, and history and geography. In reply to that, Socrates says that teacher's job is not only to teach reading, writing, history, economics, and such subjects, but also to train the character as well as to teach the brain. The teacher's job is also to retain the good old customs and weeding out the bad ones. In a broader sense, what Socrates means is teacher is not only a teacher within the four walls of a classroom, but he is a teacher to the society. He should change the ways of the society. Socrates says that he saw some students coming with jewels. However, their hands were dirty, their faces were not clean, they had not washed their faces. However, they were wearing jewels. For this, the teacher replies that the students are like that only. They are always like that only. Socrates replies, is it not waste of money, instead of keeping themselves clean by spending some money on soaps, quinine, and mosquito nets, they are spending on jewels? Socrates finds it meaningless to spend money on jewels. The basic things like cleanliness are not maintained. However, they are investing money, they are spending their money to buy jewels. It looks very odd and meaningless for Socrates. In reply to the observations made by Socrates, the teacher says that his job is to teach reading and writing. The other things are not his concern. That means whether the student comes in a neat dress or with a dirty face, it is not his business. He is not concerned about the cleanliness or the other things. He is concerned only about to teach them reading and writing in the classroom. This is what he tells Socrates. And for that, Socrates asks, what is education without health and cleanliness? And the schoolmaster replies that maintaining cleanliness is not his job, maybe it is the job of the parents. That means he feels that his job is to teach the students reading, writing, and arithmetic and such other things. But the remaining things, like the way the students dress, the way they clean their hands or faces, their appearance, and the other things are not his concern. This is what the schoolmaster says. In this session, we have understood about the conversation between the schoolmaster and Socrates, and we came to know about the views expressed by them about the importance of education and cleanliness. Here is a list of books and internet sources. If you are interested to know more about the lesson, you can go and study the listed books, and also you can visit the internet sources. Now I would like to ask some questions. Try to answer these questions. Question number 1. According to Socrates, who is the guardian of good old customs? Villager, headmaster, the schoolmaster, students. Question number 2. In whose hands lies the future of the village? Students, Socrates, villagers, the schoolmaster. According to the schoolmaster, his job is to teach the students reading and writing, cleanliness, hygiene, good habits. Question number 4. Socrates says that it is waste of money to buy jewels, soaps, notebooks, mosquito nets. Question number 5. According to the schoolmaster, teaching cleanliness is the job of headmaster, the senior teacher, class representative, parents.